Well, it's 5 weeks since the start of the project. Not constantly, we've had some crap weather and I've had to work on the shed a bit. Plus I'm skint. I had to sell my big camera to buy these delicious wheels. So a bit late in getting it on YouTube. This is my first buzz. So basically it's a $152 Mini, cut in half, widened 8 inches, the same as my last one, my trike. But this time I'm going to go for 4 wheels, make a ute or a pickup. So we've got a Skyline back axle in, chopped. So, also lowered the roof 4 inches. So I'm hoping to get these side panels made up this week. I'll roll them up and get them on. Got these cheapo shocks off a mate just to set it up. I don't know if they're going to be any good. Can't afford an engine yet, obviously. There's a big hole there for a Hayabusa or a R1 Yam or something, or a Honda. So realistically I need a sponsor, a sugar daddy or somebody who's going to give us another 10 grand to finish it nicely. The front end's just sitting on temporarily because realistically I need to do the rack next. Get the steering rack in. Once the rack's in, I can weld this front end on. Make up a fiberglass bonnet, 8 inches wider than normal. So I suppose it's alright for 5 weeks work. Near enough for pit work, as they say in Newcastle. It's going to look gnarly.